Yes, we are Latinos. By Alma Flor Ada and F. Isabel Campoy.
Oops. Sorry.
My name is Jose Miguel. Not Joe, not Mike. I am Cuban and Nicaraguan. I live in Tampa, Florida. I am Latino. Adios, Jose Miguel. Have a good day, hijo. Aprende mucho. Learn all you can. Just as he does every day, my grandfather comes to the door to say goodbye to me, giving me advice as I leave for school. He says he wishes he had been able to do that for his own son, my father. The sky is covered with dark clouds, so I rush. School is not far, but the rain could begin any minute. Here in Florida, the sky goes from blue to black in an instant, and you get soaked before you even realize it is raining. Roger catches up with me before the rain does. I would have rather gotten soaked. He slaps me on the back, pretending to be friendly, but making sure it hurts. Made many tacos today, Miguel? He asks. What are you using in them now? Dog meat? He laughs and lets go of me because we are already at school, and Mr. Tate is standing in the yard watching us. Ever since Miguel's Tacos opened a couple of blocks away from school, the kids have been teasing me. Before it used to be all about, no way, Jose, and now it's all about Miguel's Tacos. It would be easier, Mr. Tate keeps saying to me, if you would let us call you Joe or Mike. It would let you blend in. Yesterday I got tired of his words. Do you know who Cervantes is, Mr. Tate? I asked him politely. Don Miguel de Cervantes? Or Miguel de Unamuno? Or Miguel Hernandez? Look them up, Mr. Tate. I was very sure to keep my tone soft, my words polite. Google them. Then you would know why I can't be called Mike. I think I impressed him. I doubt he will come back with that Mike business again. Although the truth is that I wasn't named for Miguel de Unamuno, or Miguel Hernandez, or Cervantes. I was named after my grandfather, Jose Miguel Martinez, who never wrote a word, but every morning walks out to the door to say goodbye and tell me to learn much. That is why I will not be Joe or Mike, in spite of all the Rogers in the world, but Jose Miguel Martinez. Cubano, a mucha honra. Yes, very proud to be Cuban. Para servirle, and at your service.
What do you learn about Jose Miguel from the statements that he's made?